In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off lasso selection in AutoCAD. If you've ever dragged your mouse to select objects and ended up with a freehand squiggle that grabs more than you intended, that's the lasso selection at work. It can be handy for organic shapes, but many users prefer the predictability of classic window and crossing selections. Turning lasso off brings back that familiar rectangular selection behavior and helps avoid accidental selections while you draft. Start by opening AutoCAD and loading the drawing you want to work on. Give the file a moment to finish loading, especially if it's a large project, and make sure nothing is mid-command. It's always a good idea to save your work before making changes to preferences, just to keep everything tidy. Next, we'll use the command line to open the settings. Look to the bottom of your screen for the command line area. That's where AutoCAD listens for typed instructions. Click into it, type options and press enter. You'll see the options dialog appear. This is the central place where you control how AutoCAD behaves, from display and drafting to selection and performance. Within the options dialog, navigate to the selection tab. The tabs run across the top of the window, and selection is where AutoCAD groups settings specifically related to how you pick and highlight objects. Take a second to glance at the choices here so you know what's available for future fine-tuning. Find the checkbox labelled Use Lasso Selection and clear it. This single change disables the freehand lasso you get when you click and drag in empty space. With lasso turned off, dragging from left to right creates a window selection that only selects objects fully enclosed by the rectangle. Dragging from right to left creates a crossing selection that includes anything the rectangle touches. If you prefer precise, predictable selection, this is usually the smoother way to work. To finish, click Apply and then OK. In some versions you may only see OK, that's fine. It saves the change as well. From now on, when you drag to select, you'll get the classic rectangular behavior instead of a lasso. If you ever miss the lasso for more organic picks, just revisit options, return to the selection tab and recheck the box. That's all there is to it. With lasso disabled, your selection workflow should feel cleaner and more controlled, especially on dense drawings where precision matters. Thanks for watching and happy drafting.